Hello and welcome. Today we will create another abstract shape animation in Blender. We will using geometry nodes to make it, and we will using texture to make this plane like this, and we will using HDRI to eliminate our scene. So stick with me and let's get started. First, we delete just the light. Now, select the cube and go in geometry nodes. Here, right click, join areas. We don't need this one. Now, hit new. Now go here and add. In volume, we select volume cube. Connect it like this and increase the density just 8000 like this. Now go here in add. In utilities, in color, we select color ramp. Connect color to density. This group input, right click, delete. We don't need it. Now go here and add in texture and select any texture you want. For me, I select wave texture. Connect color to factor, and here in bands we select rings. And here switch to this. Now I want to increase this in y-axis just a little. Now go here and add. In volume, we select volume to mesh. We want to make this volume to mesh. Put it here, and now increase here the number. I give it maybe just like this. Now here increase the number. And here give it 0.5. I make some destruction. I give it just maybe 2000. The offset, I make it in 0.5. Now, as you can see, we can play with this and make our animation. So I make it here in 2000. Right click, insert a keyframe. Make sure that you are in frame 1. Now I go here in frame 250. I increase the number here maybe to 6000 like this. Right click, insert a keyframe. And here you can play as you want, if you are more or less Now if we play, we have this animation. Now I go here and add in material. I select set material. We want to give it material because when we go here, as you can see, if I go here in shader editor, if I change the color, nothing is happening because we must insane the material in geometry nodes. So I go here, click here in material, and now here you can see we have material. So I select here material. Now if I go here in shader editor, and if I change the color, now we can change the color. So I leave it like this for the moment. Now I go here and add in mesh. I select the plane S to make it bigger. Now select the object G, Z, up like this. I make it G, Y. I make it here in the center. Okay. Now we are finished with geometry nodes. Now hit 0 to activate the camera. Hit N, view, camera to view, and hit N to close this window. Now choose an angle. Now go here in World Properties, in Color, in Environment Texture, open your HDRI in your computer. I select this one. Now go here in Render Properties, switch to Cycles, activate GPU if you have one. Here decrease the number as always to 32, and here I give it 100. And now go here in Color Management, and here select High Contrast. Okay, now we want to make some materials for this object. I select first the plane, hit New, go here and Add. In Converter, we select Color Ramp. As always, connect color to base color. I go here and Add. In Texture, I select Image Texture. Connect color to factor, and here now hold Ctrl T to activate the mapping and texture coordinate. As you can see, we have all this. Okay, now open here, and I select this texture. If you want to download this texture, go in your browsers and hit this one, polyhaven.com, and here select texture and select any texture you want, any texture. Click down, and here you can upload it, download it. Now go back in your project. Now I make it a little here darker, and here I change the color. I make it maybe just like this. To see that, I go here in viewport shading, see how look as I select this, the plane GZ, to make it near the object, and I select the object. I go here in object properties, and I move it like this. I go here to see, so GZ down. Now we can choose any image we want. If you are happy with your image, now we want to give some materials for this object, so I make it metallic. Go here in converter, select color ramp, connect color to base color. I go here in texture, I select just noise texture, connect color to factor, Ctrl T to active mapping and texture coordinate, and connect object to vector. Now we can choose any color we want. So maybe I make it blue like this. Now, as you can see, this object is not smooth. So I select it, and I go here in modifier properties, add modifier, generate subdivision surface. I give it just 3 like this. Now, as you can see, we have smooth object like this. And I change this position to make it like this. Now if I go here in viewport, I go here in viewport shading, so I want to select one image just to see. For the background, I add a bump. So go here in add. In vector, I select bump. I connect the bump to the normal and the color to height. Now you can see we have this cool background like this. Now if I go here in viewport shading, as you can see it's better like this. So I change this color. Maybe I make it if I make it red like this. Okay. And here I change the color to maybe there is one more thing I want to make. The roughness. Change it. Now, if I go here in render image, as you can see, for just one image, it's maybe take 2 minutes. It will be making 2 minutes to give us just one frame. So if you have a slow computer, make just this image or go in Eevee and make it. But Cycles, it's better than Eevee. I preferred Cycles to Eevee. They give us more realistic image and better quality. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. If you like this tutorial and you want to give you more videos like this, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to make this video growing in YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.